Hi, friend. You just watched a story about angriness. What did I just say? Hi, friend. You just listened about how to control your anger. Now, what I want you to do is with your family, I would like you to draw a straight line across your paper, like the one in the example. Above it, you're going to make some points or triangles at the top. That's where you get angry. Then underneath, you can draw some lines down, just like our picture. Try to make it look like a mountain. Inside that mountain, you can write all of the feelings that you have before you get angry. So in the picture, as you can see, I wrote hurt feelings, disappointed, hungry sometimes, worried, embarrassed, left out. Maybe I'm stressing about some friends or about a test at school. Sometimes even feeling tired can make me a little angry. Then when all of those things are in top, then I go poof, and my anger comes out. So, with this activity, writing your feelings down before you get angry can help others notice when you get angry, or even let yourself know when you're about to get angry. All right, I can't wait to see your pyramids. Hope you have a great day.